How many of you are studying bookkeeping?
Me!
That was a great class on accounting principles. Hope you have your lesson plan ready. Oh, the topic is the accounting equation. I'm so glad to be here in your bookkeeping class. Where is room 100? I'm a little late, but I'm here. Hi, I'm your guest speaker, and I'm discussing financial statements today. On my way to teach bookkeeping. Tainting. On my way, but running late. That teacher was a great bookkeeping teacher. I wonder if it's permissible for me to date a teacher, and I hope I can afford this meal.